Hey everyone, welcome back. One of the scariest questions I get is, can the IRS take my house? Well, the short answer is yes. They do have the legal authority to seize and sell your home to pay off tax debt. But the longer answer is that it's rare, and there are a lot of protections in place. Let me explain how this works. The IRS has broad powers to collect unpaid taxes, including the ability to seize property. This includes real estate, vehicles, boats, and even your business assets. A seizure is the most extreme collection action the IRS can take. But here's the reality. The IRS doesn't want your house. Seizing and selling real estate is expensive, time-consuming, and frankly, it generates bad publicity. They'd much rather you just pay through a payment plan or settlement. Seizures are typically a last resort after all other options have been exhausted. That said, it does happen. The IRS is more likely to seize property when the tax debt is very large, the taxpayer is being completely uncooperative, or there's significant equity in the property that would satisfy a substantial portion of the debt. But before the IRS can seize your home, they do have to follow specific procedures. First, they must send you a notice of intent to levy at least 30 days before taking action. They must also give you the opportunity to request what's called a collection due process hearing, or CDP hearing. And for a principal residence, the home you live in, a federal judge must actually approve the seizure. That's an extra layer of protection that doesn't apply to other property. So what can you do to protect yourself? Well, the best defense is to engage with the IRS before things escalate. Set up a payment plan, apply for an offer in compromise, or request currently non-collectible status if you can't pay. If you're working with the IRS in good faith, they're unlikely to pursue seizure. If you've received a notice of intent to levy, or you're worried about losing your home, don't wait. Talk to a tax professional immediately. There are options, but you need to act before it's too late. Thanks for watching.